In the previous set of tutorials, we have introduced how can we train a linear regression model in Pytorch. And in the last video, we walked through an example of how can we train a simple linear regression model in Pytorch. We also looked upon how the loss function value is changing. So let's recap that again. So as you can guys see, the loss function is changing and the model is able to do a better job as it's learning on the data. Now in this video we will see how can we plot the loss function, like the final model, the predictions from the final model on the x values, and compare it against the true target value on the same graph. Now in order to do that, what we can do is we can first of all create an object. First of all need to get the prediction from the model, and to do that we can take the model. We'll then need to convert the value, the x input value, and because this x input value we were tracking the gradient in this value, we'll need to do this special operation. I will explain why this is needed in a later tutorial, but let's use it to do the plotting for right now. We'll need to convert that to a numpy array once from the model. So from the model output we'll compute this value and we'll convert that to a numpy array so that we can then plot it on the graph. We'll then do a plot. So first of all we'll do a plot over the x variables, which is the x train variable, and we'll take the x values, y values variable. Let's provide it a label. So let's say we call it true data, and then we can plot it against strain and predicted, and let's give it a label of the predicted data, and then we can do a show of this plot. So let's see how the prediction looks like. So as we can see, it's predicting this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and it's predicting like how the true data looks like and how the data the model which is learning. Let's also add a legend so that we can actually see which one is which. So let's also add a legend over here, and let's train the model again. Okay, so the blue line over here is the true distribution of the data, and the orange line over here is the predicted value. So you can see the model is doing a reasonable job of predicting from the input data. So in this tutorial we talked about how we can train a linear regression neural network model, and then how we can compare the model predictions against the true data. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.